Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Or if you're new, hi, I'm Trevor. Today we have a super exciting day planned out. We are going to Castrol Raceway to take part of the Spec D Winter Drift event. And it is, well, it's very, very covered in snow out there. We got another about 10 centimeters of snow overnight. We had about 20 the week before. And yeah, it should be a good time. We're gonna go slide the wagon around and hopefully not get it stuck. So let's just go get some breakfast and we'll get some fuel so we can make it there, drift around and make it back. And then let's get into some drifting. Okay, we made it to the Castrol Raceway. It's over there. It's a bit of a shit show. There's snow quite literally up to my windows outside. And everybody's getting stuck. They got a tractor fired up, so they're trying to make a little track out there. Yeah, it's gonna be a day of a lot of freezing and getting stuck, I am imagining. Let's just have a look here. Right now in Edmonton, Alberta, it is minus 20. Feels like minus 29 and snowing, and we're out here trying to race our cars around the track. So Subaru's stuck right there. My car's been stuck once already because I don't have the drive shaft in. It's one-wheel drive, so yeah, it's gonna be fun. I got the GoPros set up and hopefully we'll get out on the track eventually here. So yeah,
that is not Optimus here. Prime. We snapped our alternator belt, so there is no beer can action today.
No,
sorry. Yeah, he's got the beard. He is. My legs are so much warmer. My toes are very warm when my legs are cold. I was like, I don't mind getting out of my car for like 2 hours.
well, my battery's already dying from the cold. Okay, we're just at the racetrack. Huge lineup of vehicles trying to get out on the track. And yeah, everybody's getting stuck. Minus 20 something, 30. It's a lot of fun. The tractor's over plowing. So hopefully we'll get on pretty soon, get some GoPro action. Okay, this is crazy. We've got so many cars out here now. We've got a whole lineup all the way down there, all the way around me, back here, and it does almost a full loop. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. It's minus 30 with the wind chill right now. Are we crazy? Albertans. Here's the snow. Look at the snow level here. Just all the way. Another stage here, buddy. There we go.
It's cold.
Yeah, we're having fun. Looks like we're gonna have one lap every hour now since there's so many cars here. But oh well, it is what it is. We're all having fun, getting the cars sideways, trying to get them sideways, getting them stuck. Yeah, Crown Vic, Volvo wagon.
That's a diesel one.
UB wagon over there. Yeah, it's a good time. Tractor.
Tractor drifts.
Tractor drifts. He was sitting there doing a one-wheel peel for a bit there.
That was when he was trying to pull that BMW.
Okay, time to move the cars. Every like 5 seconds we gotta move the cars up again. Here's the tractor. I just gotta hop out, chat with guys, hop back in, move the cars forward 2 car lengths, hop back out. Yeah, it's gonna be like this all day till 4 o'clock. But we're having fun, I guess. It's still f***ing cold out there.
Realize there must be more to life than this. Reaching for the stars, traveling so far, like a dragonfly.
have imagined that's what mine runs look like.
So we just went and spun out a bunch of times. Look at the GoPro. It was covered in snow. So I don't know if it caught any footage. At least got the snow caught in its face once.
Got a nice face wash.
That was great. Well, that wraps it up for today. We had a blast at the racetrack. Got sideways, it got super icy. But yeah, we're just headed home now. We gotta go find some food. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that as much as I did. Except, at least you guys weren't freezing your asses off. At least you guys weren't freezing. You guys are nice, safe at home from your living rooms. But it was cold. Minus 20, minus 30 wind chill. It was very, very cold. But yeah, we got it done. We had a good time, met some new people, networked with some new guys on Instagram, and yeah, overall it was a lot of fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that, and we'll see you guys on the next video.